Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make map designs in Canva. Map designs are more than directions, they're visual communication. A well-made map can help people find a business, highlight a travel route, explain a location, or make social media graphics look far more professional. Start by logging into your Canva account. Once you're on the main dashboard, click Create in the top right corner. Why start here? Create is where you begin custom projects. Instead of using a preset template, you're going to build a map graphic with your own dimensions. Click Custom Size. Now in the width and height fields, enter 200 pixels width, 200 pixels height. Then click Create New Design. What this means, you're creating a small square canvas. This size can work for icons, mini map graphics, social thumbnails. Once the canvas opens, go to the left-hand menu and click Apps. What the Apps section is. Apps let Canva connect with outside tools and extra features. This includes maps, charts, AI tools, social media integrations. Use the search bar and type Google Maps. Then click on the Google Maps result. What happens next? You may see a permission screen. Review the permissions and click Open. Why permissions are needed. Canva needs access to the map tool so it can load map content inside your design. This allows you to search locations, insert maps directly onto the canvas. Once it opens, you can either choose one of the suggested maps or use the search bar to find any location you want. Examples: Addis Ababa, New York City, Eiffel Tower, your business address. Click on the location you want. What just happened? The selected map is inserted onto your Canva canvas. Now you can resize and position it. Customize the design. Once the map is on the canvas, you can edit surrounding elements such as background color, text labels, icons, arrows, pins, shapes. Smart design ideas. Use your map for event directions, store location cards, tourist guides, travel posts, real estate graphics. When you're finished, click the Share button in the top right corner. Then choose Download. Select your preferred format. PNG, best for graphics. JPEG, smaller file size. PDF, for printing. Then download it. Important clarifications. Canva is for design, not advanced navigation mapping. If you need turn-by-turn directions, GIS data, technical map layers, use dedicated mapping tools instead. To summarize, making map designs in Canva involves logging into your account, selecting the Create option, and using a custom canvas size such as 200 by 200 pixels. Once the design opens, you access the App section, search for Google Maps, approve permissions, and open the Map tool. You can then choose a suggested map or search for a specific location, which gets inserted into your canvas. After placement, you can customize the background, add design elements, and refine the layout before downloading the final graphic through the Share menu. While the process is simple, the quality of the result depends on design choices, such as canvas size, readability, and focus. When used properly, Canva map designs can be effective for branding, directions, events, and location-based visuals. And that's how to make map designs in Canva. Easy process, but strong results come from thoughtful design, not just adding a map. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.